Yabott? Yabott? Yabott!
Yeah.
Yes, who?
Yes, Mildred.
Come here.
You want me?
Miss Effie, come here.
Yeah.
Turn up right, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, where you going? Are you going out clothes? Where you from morning?
Me clean up the
Clean up my backside.
No, Mildred, remember say me clean that yesterday. They have pay me want go clean now.
How we are rank with?
Not.
Yes, when me come back, make sure say the house clean, the plate wash, the hog pen clean, and me dinner cook. What me say?
Yes, I must make sure when you come back the plate wash and the hog pen clean. Even
Don't repeat what me say, idiot. Just do it.
Yes. Yeah.
One.
Yo, Diggle, what me say man now? Man a bad man.
Wicked man.
Wicked man. Hey, rude boy.
Yeah.
And me run my yard, you know.
You mean?
My girl can't run me in my yard, man. You're mad. You're a house mouse.
Me a bad man.
You're mad. How you mean?
You see all that chopper me get us, sir?
Yeah.
And my woman boss made, you know.
See.
Man a wicked
Man a bad man. You know? I tell you, say my yard, man. Me have to run my yard. They say my brother yabott. My brother come tell me things every day. Say, oh, him box down him woman when she go like she want this. Him just curl that and just box that down. What me say? Man a bad man.
Wicked man. Wicked.
They don't know.
You mean?
Yo, see the man here.
Man.
See the man here.
Yeah.
See the man here. Yo, yabott. John, no. Respect. So what I'm to you?
Boy, I know the one Mildred again.
You have to beat her up again.
I've never beat her up again.
Man a bad man.
Nigga, you don't know what took place a while ago, man.
Man a
Hey, Villa.
Yo.
Me say, one time, look at me, eh?
Man a bad man.
Hey, you see me go so whole and lick and I got so.
Yeah.
And her hand come up, lick me, you know. And she run up.
Yeah.
And me go so jab back and just come so boop and lick her mouth, you know. But me just wait and start get peel lick, you know. Me say,
Man a bad man.
Hear me, digger.
Yeah.
You never run on your yard. You must run your yard.
True,
What me say, Villa?
Man a... Yeah, but Mildred a come.
Who?
Yeah, but no. No liquor, yeah, but.
Hold on, Villa, let me go.
No, me not gonna let you come. You might
Let me go in,
You
man.
go thump her and mess again. No, man, but you gotta hurt her, man.
Yeah, you don't know me
Go
talk
on.
about no man. Me say let me go, no man. But me
Yeah, but no liquor again, man.
Let me go.
Yo, hello.
Yes.
You wash the plate then?
No.
You clean the house?
No.
You clean out the hog pen?
No.
Wait until I reach home with you tonight.
But Villa,
Go so! Go so!
I see the metal.
Mr. Go so!
Those are skirt. I don't know, thinking, get nothing yet.